children, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will solve some questions of scholarship standard 5th. So let's start. Question number first. Choose the opposite word of the underlined word in the given sentence. The sun rises in the east. Options: first, roses; 2, sets; 3, brights; 4, shines. Explanation: the opposite word of rise is sets. So answer is 2. Answer option 2, sets. Question number 2. Choose the correct alternative. Number 1. Options: huge opposite big, 2, fat opposite strong, 3, big opposite small, 4, shiny opposite teeny. Explanation: the opposite word of big is small. So answer is option 3, big opposite small. Question number 3. Find the odd man out. Options: first, true opposite false, 2, start opposite end, 3, deep opposite shallow, 4, pretty opposite beautiful. Explanation: options 1, 2, 3 are the opposite words, but 4 is the pair of synonyms similar. So answer is option 4, pretty opposite beautiful. Question number 4. Select the opposite word from the given alternatives. Strong opposite. First option, weak; 2, smart; 3, weak; 4, powerful. Explanation: the opposite word of strong is weak. So answer is option 3. Option 3, weak. Question number 5. Find the odd term. Options: first, heart; 2, brain; 3, lungs; 4, hair. Explanation: heart, brain, lungs are the organs which we cannot see with naked eyes, but we can see hair easily, and it is not an organ. So answer is option 4, hair. Question number 6. Choose the correct alphabetical order. First option, gold, cold, fold, hold. Second option, cold, fold, gold, hold. 3, cold, gold, hold, fold. 4, cold, hold, fold, gold. Explanation: the correct alphabetical order is cold, fold, gold, hold. So answer is option 2. Option 2, cold, fold, gold, hold. So thanks for watching video.